Battling bad versus badly. Mastering English adjectives and adverbs. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting video on our journey through English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're tackling the commonly confused words, bad and badly. By the end of this video, you will understand how and when to use these words in describing quality or degree. Let's get started. Bad is an adjective. We use adjectives to modify nouns, meaning they describe or give more information about a noun. On the other hand, badly is an adverb. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They provide information on how, when, where, how much, or under what conditions something happens. Remember, bad is an adjective and badly is an adverb. Bad is used to describe the quality of a noun. Example: the food tastes bad. Here, bad is describing the quality of the noun, food. Badly, being an adverb, is used to modify a verb. It tells us how an action is performed. Example: he sings badly. In this example, badly is telling us how the action, the verb, sings, is performed. The verb, feel, can be a bit tricky because it can be used as a linking verb, similar to taste, look, appear, etc. When used in this way, it should be followed by an adjective, like bad, instead of an adverb, like badly. Example: I feel bad about forgetting her birthday. In this sentence, bad is modifying I, not, feel, so bad is correct, not badly. A common error is using badly when we should use bad. Remember that badly modifies a verb, action, not a noun or a linking verb. Incorrect: I feel badly about the mistake. Correct: I feel bad about the mistake. That's all for today's lesson on bad versus badly. Remember, bad describes a noun, while badly modifies a verb. Also, be aware of the exception when using the verb feel. I hope this video clarified this common confusion and helps improve your English grammar. Thanks for joining us today, and keep practicing. Happy learning!